The Poco C4 is in the news since January. The successor of Poco C3 and Poco C31 is said to be rebranded Redmi 10C, which also goes by the name of Redmi 10 in India. This upcoming alleged entry-level smartphone from Poco has been now certified by FCC. According to previous reports, the Poco C4 will come with two model numbers, 220,333 QPG, global, and 220,333 QPI, India. The global variant is the one that has received FCC certification. For the listing, the handset measures 167.18 by 76.87 mm in dimensions. Further, it has support for dual-band Wi-Fi and 10-watt charging. Finally, it will boot MIUI 13, however, the Android version is not mentioned. Since the device is expected to be rebadged Redmi 10C or Redmi 10, it will most likely have the same set of features. We can expect it to sport a tweaked rear design, and it could also have minor changes in the features. For the unaware, the Redmi 10C or Redmi 10 has a 6.71-inch Full HD Plus display (LCD) with a dewdrop notch, Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 SoC, LPDDR4X RAM, UFS 2.2 storage, MIUI 13, based on Android 11, 50 megapixel wide, 2 megapixel depth dual camera setup, 5 megapixel front-facing camera, rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, 6000 mAh battery, and 18-watt fast charging support. Thanks for watching this video. Thumbs up, share the video with your friends, subscribe if for some crazy reason you haven't already that, and most importantly have an awesome day. I'll catch all of you in the next video.